What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing a new lip for my car. So unfortunately I've been driving around without a lip for quite a while. As you guys can tell, I don't have a lip right now. So this is what happened to my old lip. So pretty much you can see that I hit something and it came apart. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna be replacing it with the other lip. So there's my old lip, old IS style lip, and I'm gonna be replacing it with this a little bit more aggressive RG lip, I think is what you call it. So there you go, that's how it looks like. So I actually got this lip on Garagistic. So I mean, it was pretty cheap, and instead of buying a factory IS lip, I ended up going with this one. I was debating whether to get the regular IS lip or the RG lip for quite a while, and I just ended up going with a little bit more aggressive RG lip. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna be installing it right now and gonna see how it looks like. Hopefully it looks pretty good. So pretty much just comes like this. Comes with the lip, and it also comes with some hardware. So that's pretty nice. Actually, I thought when I bought the lip that it was just the lip and I was gonna have to buy my own hardware, but at the very end it came with the hardware. So I'll leave a link down below for whoever wants to pick up a lip like this from Garagistic. And yeah, with that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so just the last final look of like how the old lip used to look like. Obviously the other piece is right here and that side's broken, but that's pretty much how it used to look like. And even though this lip isn't painted, I think it's gonna look pretty good even though it's not painted, because of like the black trim that I have around the car. So I don't think it'll look too much out of place, and if it does, then I'll think about getting it painted. But for now, I think this looks fine, it being just like this. So I kind of want to show you guys like a side-by-side of how the RG lip looks compared to the IS lip. That one's way more bigger and more aggressive looking than this one. The RG one's kind of more slanted forward as well compared to the IS that just goes like straight down. So just wanted to show you guys that. Alright guys, so one last thing that I want to say about the lips is that the IS lip actually has like little, I don't know, like little brackets right here that clip on to like right here. So there's no like drilling involved or anything because the clip's already here. But the RG lip doesn't have any of that. So again, I have to use the hardware that they included, just some screws. So I'm gonna actually have to screw into the lower valence, I guess. So I don't know, see how that goes. The homeboy just showed up to help me. I didn't call him for help, but he just showed up. So hopefully he can help me hold the lip a little bit better. Okay guys, so initially I was gonna use the IS clips to kind of hold the lip in place, which actually did work by holding the lip on, but it kind of didn't let like the lip sit flush against the valence. So like there's too much of a big gap, so I ended up taking them off. So I just took the little plastic things that go in those holes, popped them out, and then just took the clip off. And then so I got the corners screwed on, so I made holes through the valance and then the lip, and I just screwed it on in there. Let me see. Well, yeah, I got each corner, each side done, the passenger side and the driver side. I just need to get as much screws in as I want or can, because I still need to push this a little bit forward so it sits a little better. But pretty much that's how it looks so far. Looks pretty good. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish it up with the rest of the screws, and then I'll drop it, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so I got a couple more screws on, and that's the way it looks right now. So the sun is kind of already going down. So the sun's already kind of going down, so I'm gonna lower the car and then take it for a drive, and then I'll have my assistant film the car so I can see it while it's actually driving. And hopefully when I lower it and I get out of this driveway, it doesn't hit the lip and fuck it up. So we'll see.
From right here?
Like right here. Let me get the other side.
Wait, that's your fitment? Boy, you better not choke and hit the back. Brake dust.
Do the lip, not me.
I did get the lip.
Alright, how about you drive it and I'll just look at it?
Right.
Okay, go that way. Yeah, and then just come back. Doesn't matter. Alright guys, so far I really like how it looks. My brother's gonna take it out for a drive so I can see it rolling. Oh, and he fucking stalled it, brother. Let's go. this is my brother's E36. Meanwhile he comes. We just picked it up not so long ago, and I'll do a review on it. I'll make a video soon, and we're gonna be making some E36 content soon, but that's for later. Oh dude, it looks pretty nice. It looks nice. It's not that sunny out anymore, so like I don't think the camera picks up how nice it looks, but it looks pretty nice. I might get better shots, or if you guys follow me on Instagram at EricBKillingIt7, you'll see more pictures of it. But right now it looks good. And so yeah, this is the old one in pieces. It's coming back. Yeah, just pull it in. Ooh, it fucking touched. Fuck no. Alright, so there goes the first scrape. There goes the first scrape. It just scraped. I don't know if it caught it on video, but this guy scraped my lip already. But yeah, looks nice. It actually looks nice like how it's black, just because how I said that the trim's black, so it doesn't really seem out of place. And but yeah, there it is. Again, I got this from Garagistic. I believe it was like $40 or $50, and I mean it came in with all the mounting hardware. I mean pretty much just the screws, but yeah, that's it. And Feeder Dog just chilling right there. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more content on the E30. And again, I said we're gonna be doing content on my brother's E36, so make sure to subscribe. And also we have the R32, so make sure you guys like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Later. Let's go. Feeder Dog helped us out today. Rusty Dog. E30 Dog.
Gone.